just keep that up there, Martin.
Oh, yeah, that one?
No, the one
that flips up.
down a little. You see
Yeah.
back up, where the driver's screen is. You get a driver's display on the new Model S. I've had a couple people comment on my channel, and actually one person sent me a message. I said, look, I'm confused.
Did you see that? Did you see Steve's enthusiastic? Even though the competition's rubbish, the prizes are second rate. Steve is saying, well, I'm not going to punish London, right? I'm going to pick it up. You're there. Oh, fine. Do you know what I mean? Come on.
Right,
Clue one.
Come on.
Come on!
Shut her up.
Our favourite clips of the year. Today, Steve Merchant and Carl Pilkington. Not done a lot. Maybe you should earn your money as you get Mondays off for this 2 hours of nonsense.
Well, yeah, I've done loads of stuff.
Yeah.
Right. Same old.
Yeah.
Let's try something new. Something fresh. Well, I've been looking around, right, on the internet for stuff.
On the internet,
Yeah.
your Bible, where you get all your information about the world and the universe and morality from.
And do you know, like, how I always say to you, I don't really read that much of it, I just read the headline.
Perfect.
Right?
Yeah.
Ananova, I sort of nicked that idea to grab you.
Nicked what idea?
Well, to sort of get to the meat straight away at the top. Do you know what I mean? The headline to the story and everything.
What?
Right, these are
The
stories.
headlines already existed. That was why you thought I was going
Not like this though.
Alright.
Headline. Oh, these are all headlines, right? Vibrating shoes could stop elderly falling.
In French, you've got to say you've got to answer where you live. Yeah. J'habite, wherever. Yeah.
That's the name. This is actually the name of the street we lived on.
I swear to God. I'm absolutely right. I can phone my father now and he can confirm that for you. I swear. This is
Like I said, it's 36 of them. Mention how many. And when we're on the coach going round all these volcanoes, the fellow on the front's going, look out your left window at the moment.
Like Nike, there's these facts, right? And these people get like a few cents an hour, and the CEO, I forget his name, for a Chinese.
Just keep on. Fill the rest in. You car park as well. Excuse me, guys. Why is the just drop stuff here? What's so special about this place?
Well, according to our phony writings.
Okay, well, I'd have to get like properly dressed for that now.
No, you wouldn't. Well, just. We'll keep you off camera.
They need to catch up with the understanding of what's needed in order to say as well as a finish that I'm not
Maybe 40. They're going to be mortgage free this year.
That's
And
amazing.
they are in their 30s.
That's
To
amazing.
get people who invest in his app because of the podcast and stuff. So, with your voiceover work, how do people get hold of you if they want to hire?
Okay, well, if you want to use my services, first of all, let me just say, so my voice, it's not like this. It could be like this if you want it like this, but my voice is...
Same page that those political barriers disappear. So it's really getting information out to
Cut that corner.
are interested to know, don't have a vested interest.
So, do you like ginger snaps?
Well, sure. Who doesn't like ginger snaps?
No, I know, but is that like a thing that you ask for?
East, it cools off at night. Whereas in the South, there's no escape. Like if you're in the shade, you're still muggy and hot.
Yeah.
And then when night comes, we're a little slick that kind of had each other's back. The writers were clearly having fun with our characters, which is the best. I mean, that's when he's the best. Like he fell in love with Angela and was like, this is it. I'm all in. And I love you. And and everybody knew it, and there was no shame, there was no kind of reticence, and I think
Nudge, nudge, penalty received.
Yeah.
He sat down and jogged his memory and said, do you remember
This woman worked.
air conditioner into a bottle and then shake it up and spray it on?
And this is instead of ironing.
Yeah.
You could just iron.
you have vinegar in, or you didn't have to go to the shops especially to get the vinegar?
Smell. It's a hint of vinegar.
Yeah.
You know?
Please don't text it. It's not a life hack, is it, really?
No.
My mate Claire once read on the internet that chopped raw onion put directly into your shoes gets rid of bad smells, says Craig.
For this to continue, the monkeys are getting old a bit now. We need a little woman monkey in here to sort of get some kids going for future farm people.
Forward planning, yeah.
So they get a little woman monkey.
They decided to only hire them up and smell them.
Why not? It's working. Why mess with someone when it's not broke, right? So they get the little woman monkey in. They have kids and all that business, right? But the problem was, right, when they first got the woman monkey in, it was like, well, which one's going to have the woman? Right? So they started sort of fighting a bit and what have you. Yeah. Because they'd seen the owners of the farm with like
Don't
guns
tell
and
me the
stuff.
baby monkeys didn't want to go into the family business, went off to be a lawyer.
They had a bit of a shoot off.
Shut up!
We got two monkeys, right? And
Don't stop!
because they'd seen the owners with guns and what have you.
There's no light bulb in the bathroom.
So instantly fell asleep. And he was late.
No, do you know what I mean though, Steve? If you're sort of like nice and warm and what have you. I was tired anyway, I've been stressed out for 4.5 hours, right? Your life flashed in front of me a few times. So it's all sort of wears you down a bit. I thought, right, I've got a headache. You're in for your run, I'm gonna have a bath. I walk in, put the light on, for some reason it didn't come on, but I thought it's alright, just doesn't matter, just have a bath.
This is so nice, so it's light, isn't it?
There's no windows to go through.
So you were in the dark.
So I'm in the darkness. I nod off because I'm shattered. He calls up asking me. So I said, well, I won't. It doesn't normally take that long for me because I haven't got like long hair dry out. So I can sort of one wipe. He's doing some stuff for the world, but walk.
What do you make of all this campaign?
So yeah, that's why we don't like to talk about it.
So do you know what Auntie X has made of this? Do you know if she was upset or not?
Well, she doesn't know about it.
Because I mean, maybe she's always thought he looked like a split in this one. Maybe you're just in sync, because you're relatives and stuff. Maybe she knew instantly. Even if you hadn't named her, she'd have thought it.
Or follow in whatever podcast app you were using. I don't know. Maybe even leave us a review. Rate us highly.
All right, listen. You know what I'm most excited about is this live show everyone's talking.
Dude, it's going to everybody be like it.
Yeah.
But you can, but after this,
they're just not surprised by this.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I think it'll be cool if you guys voted, if you're going to vote, and everybody voted.
Yes.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
I have a feeling there's going to be a clear. I mean, my sense is there might be a clear front runner, but I think if we pick them right. And by the way, I don't.
How's it gonna happen? We can't pick for her. We can't pick for her.
No. It's just like if you're on an app and you were swiping left or right. You've got to.
That's anonymous until.
I know, but listen. What's the worst going to happen? You're going to spend 15 minutes zooming.
I hurt somebody's feelings.
That's how
I
it
feel
goes.
bad.
Listen.
Hey, no, okay. So I imagine it's back. Yeah, right. Something must be coming up soon. Something must be coming up soon.
Your religiosity disappeared for a few seasons, but now it's back.
There must be a story coming soon.
Oh, really? You think they're laying the seeds for you needing to be religiously is related to your diabetes?
How Jonah Hill got possessed by the devil.
What?
What do you mean?
Spoilers, Jonah Hill gets possessed by the evil demon.
I don't think you have to spoiler.
We lived in that moment.
It'd be a good movie for your first date with the person you would get.
Number of care homes to go from that store. That's naughty.
She let go from the company. She's out of carrots. She's out of sticks.
Yeah, nothing works with Michael, and he's best suited for sales. Which, by the way, Jonah, I don't think she's wrong. I don't think she's wrong either. But this guts Michael. Yeah. He said, you expect to get screwed by your company.
Yeah, I don't know how
only for a day.
It depends what I'm up to. Because if we're going out and about, the pillow man would just be a bit of a drag.
Whereas if if you're going for a walk across the three-legged guy, ideal.
So yeah.
Little fella, was he? The little hairy fella. I thought he was a little hairy fella,
Walking down the street.
Yeah, and he sees somebody who looked a bit like him.
And now this was weirder than that.
Go on.
He remembers like going down that street as a kid on his bike whistling.
Yeah.
And then he's walking down the street, going to get some milk for like the shop. Little bike comes whizzing past. He hears the whistling, he looks at it, it was him when he was a kid.
So when I went to school at a very young age, I thought, I'm so fucking dope because I can do the lights at the theater.
They always say when you get someone a present, you should buy them something they wouldn't buy themselves. Daft rule. I want something I would buy myself if I had the money. When I was young, my Auntie Nora got me a present I wouldn't buy myself. It was a t-shirt with